how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Turning on two-factor authentication is very important. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Now, tap on the menu option at the bottom or top of your screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings and then open Account Center. From here, go to Passwords and Security. Now tap on two-factor authentication. You will be asked to choose your Facebook account. Select it, and you'll be taken to the Security Methods page. Here, you can choose how you want to receive your verification code. Most people use SMS or WhatsApp, so select your preferred option and tap Next. If your phone number is not added yet, you'll need to enter it first, then continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code and tap Next again. Once this is done, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Facebook account. From now on, whenever you log in from a new device, Facebook will ask for this verification code for extra security. And that's how you turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media security tips.